first came to see Dr. Brewer just from a referral from a friend. I had straighter teeth when I was younger, and a prior dentist and orthodontist told me that as my wisdom teeth were coming in, I didn't need to get them taken out. And then shortly after, they started crowding all my teeth, and then I felt like I needed braces after that. So after hearing about Dr. Brewer, I came in to see him, and I had a procedure done and got braces, and I felt 100% better knowing that I had somebody who was taking care of me, who I felt like they knew what they were doing, and helping me overcome past mistakes of other dentists. The staff at Brewer Family Dentistry is incredible. They always make me feel very welcome and at home, and they're always uplifting and encouraging. I really feel like they care about me as more than a patient. I definitely trust Dr. Dean more than I trust any other dentist I've been to in the past. I love whenever I come in to see Dr. Dean. He's very thorough with any questions that I ever have. I'm one of those people who is probably the annoying patient who always wants to question every little thing that he's doing, and he's always very understanding and wants to give me a thorough answer to make me feel comfortable in what he's doing. I would absolutely refer Brewer Family Dentistry to anybody I know.